Is your Baxi boiler flashing the 117 error code? Don't panic. At Boilers2Go, we see this all the time. E117 is a high-pressure lockout. It triggers when system pressure exceeds 2.5 bar, shutting the unit down for safety. The top cause? Overfilling. If you've just topped up your system, you might have left the filling loop open too long. To fix it, bleed your radiators. Release water slowly until the pressure gauge settles back to a healthy 1.2 bar. If the pressure keeps rising, you likely have a leaking filling loop or a failed expansion vessel that needs professional attention. Faulty sensors or a blocked pressure relief valve can also cause this code by giving false readings or preventing venting. For any mechanical repairs or leaks, always call a gas-safe engineer. Don't attempt to fix internal components yourself. If the code persists, contact our experts at Boilers2Go. Subscribe now for more essential tips to keep your heating running perfectly.